So the case is that you have changed your Instagram's account name twice accidentally and now you're unable to change it as per the Instagram's guideline. But there's a way by which you can still change your account name, and in today's video we're going to talk about the same. So now without wasting any more time, let's get started. So the very first step what you have to do for fixing this up is to fill an Instagram form about this issue. Link of the form is given below in the video's description or in the pinned comment. After going to the Instagram form, first select data access and then select I can find the information I'm looking for option. Then below that you have to enter your original name, your username, country and email ID associated with your Instagram account. After this, submit the form and now you are done with half of the steps. Just after this, go to Instagram application and take a screenshot of the error you are seeing while changing your name. After this, go to Instagram menu, then settings and privacy. Scroll down and go to the help section. Then go to the problem or technical issue option, and here you will see an option to report problem without shaking. Just click on this and then select don't include and continue option. Now attach the screenshot of the error and in the notes write down that accidentally profile name has changed by me and I assume I have only changed the name once, but still it's not allowing me to change. I have to change my name and I can't wait for 14 days. Write something like this and then submit the form. Now within 4 hours, Instagram will reinstate the name change restriction on your account and you will be able to change your name again. Remember that you will be able to change your name once only after this. After 14 days you can change your name, and also make sure that you are not repeating this process again and again, because if you will request something like this, then might happen your account can get partially banned or you won't be able to change your name again in the future. So I hope you all have enjoyed this video a lot, and if you guys are having any question in your mind regarding this video, then please put a comment below in the comment section. And if you guys like the video, then drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and with that being said, I'm Divyansh Sharan and I will catch you in the next one.